dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. See my girls, we shine.
What's up, lovelies? It's your girl, Cherish. Cherish, 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 ayy. Cherish, 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 ayy. Ain't no stopping when you poppin'. And I'm back with another video. So today I'm just gonna cut my son's hair. I'm not a barber. My son is autistic and he really doesn't like anybody else to, touch his hair. So I do it, or either his dad does it. He had like a bow cut. So I'm just gonna try to do like something sort of like a bald fade. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna make it evenly as bald as possible, all the way around. This is what you guys see me doing. He used to be afraid of the noise of the clippers, so now he's used to it. Thank God. Now, to keep him from not moving, I just hold his head. I'm not hurting him, just holding his head, and I'm letting him watch his shows on his phone. What I do have to say is, make sure you take your time. So now I have the clippers, and I'm just going to use the sides of the clippers because they're really big for his head. I'm going to have it closed. Start off with it closed, and then I'm going to open it. And just basically keep going back and forth. It's a lever on the side of the clippers that you can use to have it open or close. But I like to use close first, then open it up. Okay, so now I have it open. Switch the clippers to open, and I'm going to do the same process over and over. Like I said, it's time consuming. You just got to take your time to get it right. If you rush, it's going to be a problem. So make sure you take your time. Now I'm going to get my guard. It's a half guard, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did before. So I'm going to close it. Start with it closed first, and I'm just going to go back and forth. Alright, so now I'm gonna get a new guard. This one is a size 1. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. Start with it closed and then do it open. So now I'm gonna do it closed. Back and forth, back and forth. So I'm kind of in a hurry today, but I just wanted to show you guys what I do when I cut his hair. Now I'm gonna close it. No, now I'm gonna close it now, and I'm gonna go back and forth, same thing over and over and over, just to make it a little even. So next I'm gonna get the 1 1/2 guard and do the same thing. Alright, so basically I'm done. Like I said, I'm not a barber, but I do cut his hair. So now I'm going to attempt to do his lineup. I don't really like mess with his line because, you know, sometimes it could get pushed back and he's just a kid, so I'll try to go around it. So as I was looking, I saw extra hairs, so I'm just going to cut the extra hairs that I see in the back of his head. In Black culture, the hairline is very important. So one wrong move and it's over for him. So I just try to make sure that he doesn't move, but you know, he wants to chew on his chew toy. So that's a problem right there in itself. But I'm just trying to work with what I got. Alright, so I see that it's kind of crooked, so I'm going to try to fix it.
minute. Talk to him.
So like when you're doing your makeup, one of the eyebrows is always different. As I'm looking at his head, I noticed that his boxes are different. So I'm gonna try to fix that. Alright, so now I got the Shea Moisture, alcohol, coconut oil. I live by coconut oil. And hair oil.
Come here.
And I'm gonna put it in his hair. He hates this part with the alcohol.
It's really like Minecraft. Different. Mommy, look.
Yeah.
It's like you diamond over your life. And then it's
Thank you guys so much
That's
for watching.
nice.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you.